So this is a tutorial on how to use Auto Scroll Master. The application has 3 auto-scrolling modes. First, for external apps or browsers. Second, the in-app browser. And third, the in-app document reader. When you open the app for the first time, you will see a short tutorial. You can skip the intro if you want to proceed immediately. If you want to view the tutorial again, go to the More tab, find the Action section, and select How to Use. Now, let's talk about the first mode, External App Auto-Scrolling. On the home page, tap the power button to show the overlay controls. If the app has not been granted accessibility permission yet, it will display a reminder. Tap the Settings button, and it will take you to Accessibility Settings. Go to Installed Apps. Find Auto Scroll Master, enable it. After that, return to the Auto Scroll Master app. Tap the power button again. This explains that while Auto Scroll is running, the device is occupied. You will not be able to interact with the screen unless it is paused or stopped. Auto Scroll Master is an accessibility tool. It injects real scrolling on the screen, as if a finger is automatically scrolling. Because of this, you cannot use the screen normally while Auto Scroll is active. If you try to scroll manually, your movement may be cancelled. This is because the application scrolls faster. It is like competing for control of the screen, so it is normal that you cannot interact while it is active. If you need to use the screen again, pause or stop the auto scroll first. When you are ready to read again, simply activate it again. Check Don't Show This Again if you do not want this reminder to appear again. Then tap the Got It button to close it. Once the app is active, you will see the floating overlay controls. Even if you exit the application, the overlay controls will remain on the screen. Now open the application that you want to auto-scroll. For example, the Quran app. If what you are reading is long and scrollable, this is where the Auto Scroll Master becomes useful. Tap the play button to start. If this is your first time using Auto Scroll in an application or browser, the app will ask you to select a safe scrolling area. Make sure to place the scrolling area away from buttons. Because the app injects real scrolling, it may press buttons if it passes over them. Adjust the scrolling area selection. Keep it away from buttons to avoid accidental taps and switching to another page. Once everything is set, tap Save. Scrolling will automatically start within the selected area. If you touch the screen while it is scrolling, the auto scroll will pause temporarily. When you release the screen, it will continue again. You can still use the floating overlay buttons while auto scroll is running. If the background is too bright and the controls are hard to see, tap the moon icon to dim the overlay. You can change the scrolling speed using the plus and minus buttons. Choose the speed that is comfortable for your reading. If the floating controls are distracting, tap the double arrow icon to turn them into a small bubble button. When you are finished, drag the overlay control downward to the bottom of the screen. When it reaches the dismiss area, that section will turn red. Release it there to completely stop the auto scroll. And that's it, simple and easy to use.